This is Nim Chimpsky, the subject of the most famous experiment in all of linguistics. Nim Chimpsky is a chimpanzee named after Noam Chomsky, a linguist most well known for his theory of universal grammar. Universal grammar is the idea that the ability to use language is the result of some innate neuroanatomic structures that only humans possess, and thus that only humans are capable of using language. Herbert Terrace, a psycholinguist at Columbia and a student of B.F. Skinner, one of Chomsky's biggest detractors, wasn't necessarily on board with this. And so, in an attempt to prove Chomsky wrong, he started the Nim Chimpsky experiment, where he tried to teach Nim Chimpsky ASL. If he was able to teach Nim Chimpsky ASL, then that would prove that humans aren't the only animal capable of language. But he failed. After the study concluded, Terrace conceded that Nim wasn't actually using ASL. He was being conditioned to manipulate ASL symbols to elicit a reward. There have been other similar experiments trying to teach animals how to communicate with language, like Coco or Bunny the dog, and the results have been more or less the same. And when I spoke about this a while ago, a common question I got was how being conditioned to manipulate linguistic symbols any different from how humans use language. Aren't humans just conditioned to use language like Nim and Bunny? Not quite. There's a few issues with likening human linguistic processing to conditioning. The biggest one being that humans can apply syntactic and morphological rules to create new words or phrases. Nim and Bunny have not demonstrated the ability to do this. Yes, they can create novel utterances, but they don't follow any sort of regular syntax. And so we have no reason to believe that the arrangements of these utterances are motivated by rules or by the components' relationships to each other, which is a huge part of human language. Let's use French as an example. In French, the phrase l'ancienne voiture means the old car, old in reference to age, but la voiture ancienne means the former car. It's the same three words, but the order of the noun and the adjective changes the meaning. So understanding French doesn't just require that you understand the referent for each word, it requires that you understand the relationship that these words have with each other. But Nim and Bunny don't demonstrate this ability. For example, Nim's longest utterance in ASL was, give orange me, give eat orange, me eat orange, give me eat orange, give me you. As Terrace noted, in examples like that, Nim was just repeating signs in a seemingly random order until he elicited the response that he wanted, in this case receiving an orange. No human uses language like that. When you're ordering a coffee, do you repeat the words me, want, and coffee in a seemingly random order until you get your coffee? No, obviously not, because we care about syntax.